Hello everybody and welcome back to another Weather Guy video. Today we are going to be talking about Winter Storm Scott. Winter Storm Scott. It's a cross-country storm starting in California today, moving into the Midwest later on tonight, and then into the Northeast tomorrow and tomorrow night, which is causing a lot of, just a lot of travel issues. I think they say like 2,500 miles of snowy conditions in the next couple days. It's a fast-moving storm, but it's going to dump a lot of snow. So let's get into the Tropical Tidbits. There was a quick-hitting snowstorm this morning. Now we're going to move it to Scott. Starts in the Sierras, moves into the Rockies, and then into Kansas, which is where you're going to see most of your snow totals in the Midwest. Then in the South, you get these thunderstorms starting up. And then as you move into Missouri, you see these thunderstorms really starting to fire up, especially around the low pressure. Then as you move further east, you can see a clear line of thunderstorms developing. Then as you move into the Northeast, you can see a very strong line of thunderstorms as the storm moves into the Northeast. Now, how much snow are we looking at in the Northeast and in the Midwest? Now, it is very uncertain in the Northeast. This is a more southern track, bringing less snow. I personally think that it's going to take the more closer to the coastline track, because I think the European is showing kind of a middle track, and the NAM is showing a southern track, but it wasn't a couple runs ago. Like if I were to go to, let's say, 0, and it's showing more of an inland track, bringing more snow, but the latest, even at 6, you can see there's a more widespread area of that 6 to 12. Now that's all really shifted only to eastern Connecticut, Rhode Island, and eastern Massachusetts. But what has stayed consistent is the Midwest. That's basically what this video is going to be about, is the Midwest and the South. Because the Northeast, I think it deserves its own separate video. So we will do something on that tomorrow. Don't be surprised if I do post again on Scott tomorrow. But you can see some areas of 6 and 7, but mostly your 3 to 5 inch range. Maybe some wider spread areas of 6. And then as you head through like the Ohio and Tennessee valleys, you're really just gonna get 1 to 3 inches of snow. And then as you get into the Northeast, that's where all the variations come into play. Now, in total, the European model is showing about the same thing for the Midwest. But then I do want to go into, let's do New York, because New York is the largest state that can give me like different areas. Now it is showing, most of this is from Scott, right? A widespread area of 8 to 12 inches, including today's snow, which dropped about 3 to 5 inches in some of these areas. So it is showing a widespread area of 5 to 8 inches, maybe, and then a wider area of 3 to 5 inches for this storm. So definitely something to look out for. Then let's go to Massachusetts. Massachusetts, you're going to get same 8 to 12 inches. The whole southern New England area is going to get 8 to 12 inches in total. So basically 5 to 8 inches from this storm. Then you have your mountain snow, which has been accumulating a lot. So that basically does it for Scott. Definitely check in tomorrow. I'm going to release a more detailed video on the Northeast and Scott. But just to know, the Midwest, wide area of 3 to 6, maybe some areas 6-7 inches. But really, that's all you need to know. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment in the comment section below. Make sure also to follow me on Instagram. I do accept all follow requests. I have recently been posting snow total maps, my own made snow total maps. I never knew that Photoshop had an app on iPhone, so I've been using that recently to make my own snow total maps. So definitely check that out. And with that, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.